And welcome to my YouTube channel at Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking in chapter 11th of recently launched Exp22 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 11 ML2 donors. Let's start our assignment with solve step by step. Okay, title of assignment is that Exp22 Excel chapter 11 ML2 donors. Here's project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on PC screen. Okay. Customer 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can see my Excel workbook. Okay, you can see my Excel workbook here. It's customer 1 is completed now. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that in cell B7 insert the left function to extract the file 3 characters from the college name in cell A7. Copy the function to the range B8 to B34. Use the donor worksheet through step 13. Okay, in cell B7. Basically, in this question, in this step, we will have to enter insert a left function in cell B7 to extract the first 3 characters from the college name in cell A7. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Then click on cell B7. Then we will have to insert a left function to extract the first 3 characters from the college name in cell A7. Okay, insert a left function A7 to range. Okay, then enter formula 73. Okay, then it will be find your college ID and ENG. Copy the function to the range B8 to B34. Okay, then we will copy the function to the range to B8 to B34. It's done. It shows all college IDs here. You can see all college IDs here. I have done this question. Question number 2 of this assignment is completed now. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that in cell E7 tab scatter and use flash field to fill the last name for the donor in the range E8 to E34. Basically in this question we will have to enter scatter in cell E7. Okay, copy this and paste in cell E7. Okay, and then E7 and then use fill function to E8 to E34. Go to data. Okay, flash fill. Okay, done. This question is done. Last name is shown here. I have done this question. You can see here I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that select the address in the range F7 to F34 and convert the text to columns, separating the data columns, deleting the delimiters. Okay. Basically in this question we will have to select for this range F7 to F34 and convert the text to columns. Okay, for this range and enter this range, select this range and go to text to column Okay, then separating the data at commas, deselect others. Okay, next, then commas, select this commas. Okay, next, then finish it. Okay, it's done. Now separating the data. Okay, I have done this question. You can see I have done this question. Now customer 5 is that in cell I7 insert a text function that displayed the college name from cell A7 with just the first letter capitalized, such as during copy the function to the range I8 to I34. Basically in this step we will have to enter a function in cell I7. Okay, I7 text function to display the college name from cell A7 with just the first letter. Go to Excel workbook, click on cell I7. Then we will have to enter a function. Click on cell I7. Then we will have to enter a function. A function is a function that display college name. Insert a text function. We will enter a text function in cell A7. Text function is equal to okay proper text proper is 7. Okay, then enter, then press enter. Okay, engineering, school engineering will be shown here. Then double click on this and I8 to I34 it will be displayed. Okay, it's done. You can see here I have done this question now. Copy the function. Okay, now moving on customer 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Question number 6 is that copy the range A6 to J7 to cell A37 to create the column labels for the criteria range. Create the column label for the criteria range. Tab business in cell I38 and greater than is equal to 15,000 in cell J38. Basically in this tab we will have to copy the range to cell A37, A6 to J7. Then create the column label for the criteria range. Okay, first we select this range. Go to Excel workbook. First we select this range is here in Excel workbook. Okay, this range is selected. Then go to home tab. Then go to copy this range. Okay. Then to cell A37 to create the column label. Then click on cell A37 and paste here. Click on A37 and paste here. Okay, this range is pasted here. Now column label for the criteria range tab business in cell I38. Click on cell I38 and type business. First we copy this and paste in cell A38 business. Okay, click on cell A38. Okay, business here. I38, sorry, I38 is business here and greater than is equal to 15,000 cell J38. Click on cell J38 and tab this greater than is equal to 15,000. Okay, I have done this question now. Now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Question number 7 is that copy the column label from the range A37 to J37. A30 copy the column label from range A37 to A37 to J37 to cell A41 to create the column label from the output range. Perform the advanced filter by copying the records to the output area. Basically in this step we will have to copy this range and paste into A41. Then we will enter create the column label from the input range. Okay, first we select this range and go to Excel workbook. Then we will select this range. Okay, here we will select this range A37 to J37. A37 to J37. Then paste into A45. Okay, select this range A37 to J37. Then paste into, okay, then copy this and paste into A45. Home tab and copy this and paste into A45 to cell A45 to create the columns label from the output range. A45, where is A45? Where is A45? Okay, then paste it to create the column label from the output range. Perform the advanced filter by copying the records to the output. Okay, I have done this question. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that in cell J2 insert the database function to total the value of the donation for the records that meet the condition in criteria range you created in step 6. Basically, in this step, we will have in cell J2, insert the database function. We will enter a function, database function in cell J2. Okay. Enter a database function in cell J2 to total the value of donation for the records. That, okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on cell J2. Click on cell J2, enter a donation function, enter a database function in cell J2. Okay, enter a database function in cell J2, dsum database A6 minus J34, then donation. Enter a formula. First we will enter a database function, then we will enter a formula, then press enter formula and then press enter. Okay, it will be shows total donation is J2. Okay, I have done this. Okay, you create a, I have done this question. Question number 8 is completed. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that in cell J3, insert the database function to calculate the average donation for the records that meets the condition in criteria range that you created in step 6. Basically, in this step, enter a database function in cell J3. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and enter a database function in cell J3. Enter a function. Okay, cell J3 is equal to database function. Okay, d average function, sorry, enter d average function, then A6, okay, 34, then d average, donation, sorry, then donation. First we will enter this function, then enter a formula and then press enter. It value will be shown in average donation in cell J3. Okay. Okay. You can see here. Sorry, 1 second is that. Okay, I have done 11 question of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on my screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, quizzes, exam and complete course. Let me know if you need help in any courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade at very reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.